Take a ride in the 2019 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one-owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.